Hey guys, and welcome to TrickMinute.ai. So in today's video, we are going to test SEOWriting.ai, which is a fantastic tool for beginner bloggers that does everything: external linking, images, YouTube videos. It uses the latest GPT-4 Turbo model. It's very easy, it's inexpensive, it's just one of my favorite AI writers. And although it does not have a specific feature for anti-AI detection, it has a readability feature. So it looks like this. You insert your keyword here, then you choose your article size from small to large. Then I'll be using the premium model, which is the GPT-4 120K Turbo. And then you have the humanized text. So you have quite a few settings, but in this video I'll be testing these 5. So 5th grade, 6th, 7th, 8 to 9, and 10 to 12. Anything and everything beyond is going to be detected as AI most likely. Then of course you have details to include. You have the media hub where you can set your images and YouTube videos. You have the SEO optimization panel where you can insert your NLP keywords or generate those from within the interface. You have your structure settings with key takeaways, FAQs, quotes, tables. Then you have the external linking, connect to web, and the outline editor. So you can have it so SEO Writing writes everything on its own, or you can control the headings as well. And there is a native integration into WordPress, so you can easily publish your articles straight to a WordPress blog. I have already written 5 articles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is with the readability setting on 5. This one is 6, 7, 8 to 9, and 10 to 12. And in this video, we'll be testing 3 things. First, how accurate is SEO Writing in setting readability? So if I set my readability to 5, will it be 5 in the end, or will it be something like 10 or 12? Then we'll research if there is any correlation between the readability settings and AI detection. And finally, even though once again SEO Writing does not have a specific AI anti-detection tool, we'll see if this tool passes Originality, Turnitin, and Winston. So let's get started. So let's open up the first article. Click to copy. Let's head over to Hemingway. And this is grade 5 readability. That's what we wanted. So grade 5. Okay, now let's head over to Originality 2.0. Wow, so this is 69. So we haven't done anything as far as editing the text. Just the readability of grade 5 achieves almost 70% original. Okay, we all pretty much know what the 3.0 is going to get us, but still, 0. So 69 and 0. What about Winston? And Winston thinks this is 64% original, so this is a very high score for Winston. 64. Next is Turnitin, even though this is not an essay writing tool. And guys, so Turnitin says this is 0% AI. Oh my god. So grade 5 readability does work. So the closest one to SEO Writing as far as the type of the tool is Agility. And this is our experiment. And none of the Agility's output gave us anything reminiscent of a 0. So the lowest one was 17. And this is 0. Wow. Okay. Let's test the grade 6 readability level. Grade 6. Let's head over to Hemingway. And this is indeed grade 6. Nice. And what we should be seeing, or what we might see, is that the higher the readability, the lower the originality score is going to be. But let's just see. Okay, so this is 30% original. That's what I was expecting. 3.0, 0%. How about Winston? And Winston says this is 16% human. Well, I'm not getting my hopes high as far as Turnitin. Yeah, Turnitin says this is 11% AI. And whenever you have this asterisk here, it means that Turnitin itself thinks this might be a false positive in a good way. So this passes Turnitin with grade 6 readability. Amazing. Okay, let's check grade 7, Hemingway. And this is grade 6. So, which is okay, I guess acceptable. So we wanted grade 7, we got grade 6 in return. What about Originality 2.0? 73%. Okay, nice. 3.0, 0%. Winston. And Winston thinks this is only 27% human. Wow. So this essay is only 1% AI, so 0% AI almost. Oh my god, so this grade thingy works with Turnitin like magic. So already with the first 3 articles, we passed Turnitin effectively. So let's now check grade 8 to 9 and grade 5. So interesting. Let me just check something real quick. So if we go to repeat, this should give us the initial settings. Repeat. And this was indeed grade 8 to 9. Okay. And one of the reasons would be that readability is highly dependent on the topic. And the topic that I have chosen is Can-Doxit Longan. And it's very difficult to get very technical with such a topic. So this topic, by default, requires a lower readability level. That's why I think SEO writing is kind of struggling to match the grade level the higher we go. But this is good. Grade 5 is good. Originality 2.0, 10%. Oh, wow, what happened here? 0% with 3.0. Winston. And Winston thinks this is 15%. Let's check Turnitin. And Turnitin concurs and thinks this is 34% AI. Even though Hemingway is not catching the readability level that we want, Turnitin and Originality act like this is grade 8 to 9. So last one, and this should be grade 10 to 12, and this is grade 9 as far as Hemingway goes. So the highest readability out of all. And for those of you wondering, hang on, I have chosen a casual tone of voice for all of the articles and the first person singular point of view. So 2.0, 23%, 3.0, 0, and Winston thinks this is 0 as well. So we have 23, 0, and 0. How about Turnitin? And Turnitin thinks this is 74% AI. So guys, a very interesting experiment. Anything around readability grade 5 to 6 passes Turnitin easily. And that's the biggest takeaway, I guess. Grade 5 still scored pretty good with Originality. So we got 69, we got 73, and we even scored as high as 64 with Winston. Once again, SEO writing is not designed to pass AI detection, but when you combine the first person point of view with the casual tone of voice and then the grade 5 to 6 readability, you are actually capable of passing some of the major AI detectors, including Turnitin. And my previous testing with the human content shows that Turnitin is pretty much the most accurate one of them all right now. So I hope this video was helpful. Go check out trickmenow.ai for tips, tricks, and articles about AI detection, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.